is the Liu Wei channel. My name is Martin, and today we make a dish. It's called home fried cabbage, or you can call it a countryside style fried cabbage. The main ingredients we need the one tomato and a small onion and half cabbage. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We cut the cabbage. We cut this part off the core part. Okay, this we don't need to throw it. And then those are already washed, so then we just cut it very thin, nice and possible. So probably just like this. Okay, I'm sorry. I will put you with a quick cooking. We cut the onion.
Got me, bad guy.
So we cut it like this big, small pieces. Okay, we cut the tomato. The tomato, we just cut this part off. We cut the tomato. We slice it. Cut in the middle. Tomato we can turn on the stove, medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. And raise the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the onion into it. And fry the onion until the good smell released out from the onion. So the onion, you can see the onion is all separated. Then you can smell the good smell. Then we add cabbage into it. Fry the cabbage. This is 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices, use 10 spices or just a pinch of black pepper. Just add, don't add too much. This is the salt. We add, I think, 1 teaspoon salt to it. Okay, now we add the tomatoes into it. And just fry. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Add a quarter cup cold tap water to it. Okay. Cover the lids until the cabbage becomes soft. Then this dish is done. Now we try the cabbage. The cabbage is very soft, so we turn off the stove. This dish is done. So the countryside style fried cabbage, or you can call it home fried cabbage. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.